Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellen's Tips for iOS. Today we're going to talk about something that might have popped up on your iPhone that can be downright alarming. A big red "Your iPhone is hacked" virus detective. It's a pop-up that looks like an official warning from Apple. I'm going to show you what's really going on, how to deal with it step by step, and how to prevent it in the future. Let's get started. First of all, if you see a message on your iPhone that says your iPhone has been infected with a virus or Apple security alert, you must call this number or click here. Know this, it is not from Apple. Apple never sends that kind of pop-up virus alert in the browser. These are scare pop-ups or scam alerts designed to trick you into doing something like clicking a link, calling a phone number, giving away personal info, installing something. It's a scam. You do not have anything to worry about unless you provided personal details. So please, if you're watching this and you've seen one of these pop-ups, don't panic. Don't tap anything and don't call any number listed in a message. I'll show you how to safely close it and clean things up. Let's take your iPhone and step through what to do when you get one of these messages. I don't have a real message to show you, but I've showed you what the alert looks like, and now I'm going to show you how to fix it. You don't want to tap on the alert itself. Don't tap on any pop-ups that appear like OK, update now, or call support. Sometimes these buttons are fake and will lead you into a phishing or malware trap. What we want to do is close the browser tab. So let me open up Safari, and we're going to pretend that this is the site where the pop-up appeared. We want to get rid of this tab, and to do that, I'm going to tap on the three dots in the lower right corner. Once I do, I'm going to select all tabs. All of your tabs that are opened at this time will show up, and we want to locate the tab where the alert appeared. So I'm just going to pretend that the alert appeared here, and I'm going to tap on the X to close that particular tab. So this stops the immediate visible alert, but there are a couple of things that we want to do next. So I'm going to tap on the check mark, and I'll come back into the Safari website that I have opened. Let's swipe out of Safari now. We've gotten rid of that tab, but there's a couple of other steps that we can take. I'm going to open the Settings app. I am going to scroll to the very bottom and tap on Apps. And now I'm going to locate the Safari app. Tap on that. And we're going to scroll towards the bottom until we see an option for Clear History and Website Data. I'm going to tap on that, and now I can go ahead and tap Clear History. And once I do that, all of the tabs will be removed, and it removes any cookies or website data that may allow the pop-up to reappear. Now, there's a couple of extra toggles that we should have on. So in this same Safari settings area, we want to find fraudulent website warnings and toggle that switch on. We also want to locate block pop-ups and turn that on. These settings help prevent future pop-ups of this kind. You could also go ahead and restart your iPhone. A simple restart helps clear any lingering effects of the pop-ups. So once we've done this, that's it. After these steps, your iPhone should be back to normal and the fake alert should be gone. If you didn't tap anything and you only closed the tab, you're very likely fine. Now let's talk about how to spot these scam alerts and understand why they show up. Here are the red flags. The message claims your iPhone has viruses or been hacked and urges immediate action. Click or call. It appears within a browser tab, Safari, or Google if you use Google, not as a system notification from Apple. It asks for payment, credit card info, Apple ID logon, or to call a support number. It uses fear tactics such as your SIM is corrupted, your data will be lost. Often you visited a website that allowed pop-ups or ads and maybe clicked a link that launched the bad page. It's basically scareware designed to trick you into paying or giving your info, so recognize it helps you respond calmly and correctly. Here are some prevention tips. Stick to trusted websites and apps. Avoid clicking free scan or free fix your iPhone ads. If you're browsing and a pop-up shows up, close the tab and clear your data, the steps we just did. Enable and keep on Safari settings, block pop-ups and fraudulent website warnings. Keep your iOS updated. The latest software versions are your friend. If you ever feel unsure, ask a trusted friend or family member or contact someone you know. Don't call the number on the pop-up. Consider only installing apps from the App Store. Avoid jailbreaking your phone, which most seniors won't do anyway. That keeps things secure. These steps help you enjoy your iPhone worry-free. All right, friends, that wraps up our video today on how to deal with fake virus or security alert pop-ups on your iPhone. Remember, Apple won't send scary virus detected pop-ups in Safari. It's a scam. Close the tab, clear your Safari data, enable the safety toggles, and update your iPhone. If you found today's walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with any friends or family, especially other seniors who might benefit. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.